Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked bad 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, true X77 code Pro Street, man. Killer car. Again, true X77 Z28. Love this car, man. I've always had a soft spot for Pro Street cars. Now, this car's built for the street. It's not built to go racing. It's built for the street. Wicked cool car. I love the fact that this is the original color, code 67. It was a burgundy metallic. It's got the white Z28 striping, and then it's got the correct 711 standard black interior. Well-built car, fun car to drive, and again, this thing's never been raced. According to the previous owner, he built it for the street to cruise. It runs on pump gas. Man, just so much fun to drive, man. These things draw so much attention. I just went and put gas in it. People went nuts. But great car. You can see it's got the cowl hood with that I think it's a 671 blower sticking through the hood. I'll get all the internals in the ad. Matter of fact, I've already taken all the pictures. We were late getting Nathan's been out of town, so I am late getting the video done. But man, beautiful car. Couple little touch-up marks you can kind of nitpick, but man, gorgeous, gorgeous car. Very well built street car. Sorry, a little dust out here, guys. Love the color combo. Dual chrome mirrors, does have a cage in it, no rear seat. They pulled that out for the tubs. Turn the key, take it right to the car show. I mean, this is a nice car, very well built. Sorry, it's got a little dusty sitting out here waiting for me, guys. Again, that's just a little dust, that'll all clean up. On-off switch there. Look at that car, man. The way it sits, I mean, that car just drives people crazy. Love the look. Killer stand, sits right down over those big meats in the rear. Mickey Thompson, E.T. Streets, or Mickey Thompson Sportsman's, I'm sorry. Gorgeous paint. It's got aerospace components, front disc brakes. .468 aluminum headed big block. Again, I'll get all the internals in the ad. Just too much for me to remember. Again, though, it does run on pump gas. Brodix aluminum heads. Big aluminum radiator in it with electric fan, hooker, ceramic headers. It's all MSD ignition. It's got a 400 turbohydromatic trans that's been all built up to handle up to 1,500 horsepower. I'm trying to remember everything they told me about this. Again, I'll put the internal stuff in there. Disc, we get manual disc brakes. Oh, and it's a regular automatic too. Put it in drive and go. Love the Weld wheels. Pretty metallic paint on this thing. All custom Pro Comp gauges. It's got the chrome mirrors on it. Door handles look like they've been replaced. Door seams look great. Factory 711 code black interior. It looks great. I believe this is an 8-point cage. The nice thing is there's no bar there to climb over. They did remove the back seat. It's got custom sound system in it. Yeah, the steering wheel's pulled away there a little bit. See if we can fix that. Showing 16,000. Honestly, guys, I didn't get any miles off of it. I'm sure there's not a ton. It's got electric dumps for the exhaust. Again, custom sound system. It's actually got the factory gauge cluster in it, but obviously they're using all that autometer stuff. It's got a the electric fuel pumps in the center console there. B&M ratchet shifter. Dana 60 with strange axles. Again, I'll get all the major performance components in the ad. They finished the trunk area. It's custom fuel cell, dual batteries, and very nicely done. Again, this isn't a race car made into a pro street. This is a pro street built to cruise on the street. The fit and finish is outstanding. It's built to jump in and take to the car shows. Very all boxed frame and everything. So it's got frame connectors on it. Like I say, very well built street car. And just a little dust, guys. Seats are nice, very comfortable. Like I say, car hit the road and drove good. Did a nice job tubbing it. The way it always fires up too, man. You turn the key, wham, fire. Nathan just opened the headers. I know that's the electric dumps. I know it's probably hard to hear me, so gauges are all functioning out here. See, it holds good oil pressure, tach works. I think everything is not in here, except for the voltmeter. I think that's inside. Again, fit and finish is great. LED taillights. Radio does function. Yeah. Again, the only thing in here that's working is for a gauge is that voltmeter. It is hooked up. Everything else is not hooked up. They're running on the aftermarket gauges. No wipers. There we go. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a video. Have a great day, guys!